Hey guys, welcome to my channel. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Ayahnna, and I am bringing you... Okay, we have a special guest. Oh!
Hi girls, it's me, Ayahnna. And so, we're together all the day. The plastic gets always go.
Can I talk for my video?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
So, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what's up? You better go on ahead and hit that subscribe because you are going to love the content I bring.
Get done and you like that. I know you was time.
Bonnie. Anywho, I don't have a lot of time, obviously, but I wanted to bring you guys my first...
So, we have pet your too. Probably saying, oh yeah.
Can I, mommy's turn. I wanted to bring you guys my first full face video. And and it was very hard to do.
That's so very, Mommy.
I'm just not going to talk. Watch the video. Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
So, yes, I think bye.
Alright y'all, so I start with my Maybelline Master Prime primer. Absolutely love this primer. And then with my Younique Moodstruck Brow Obsession Palette, I do my brows. Y'all know how obsessed I am about my brows. And this is my go-to palette. It's a crime not to prime, so you better use your Younique eye primer to make your eyeshadow pop. And I absolutely love my Younique eye primer because it really makes my Younique palette pop. So I let that set, and while I'm setting it, I start doing my color correcting using this Maybelline color correcting palette. I just use the orange on my dark spots and then a little concealer over the orange, and then I blend it out with a blending bud. And I'm still working on this technique, but again, I wanted this to be a full face video doing every step that I would do to beat my face completely. Next, I am going to use my Younique eyeshadow palette number 1, which is more of the bronze and the browns. Sorry that it is not in focus, but I am using a brown to start my eye colors. And then I'm going to be using my Younique concealer. Ooh, get in focus. Ooh, and I am going to put concealer in the color Velvet under my brows for a little highlight. Again, I'm going to let this set as well as I finish up my eyeshadow. So using my Younique Splurge cream, this is a cream eyeshadow, y'all. I'm going to use this burnt orange red color just to add a little color to my eyelids. And I absolutely love how this looks once it's all blended out. So back to my eyeshadow palette number 1, using the color Brassy. That's that third one from the left. I'm going to do my eyelid and the inner eye. I'm looking crazy right here, but now I'm going to blend that joint out. Look at my backdrop all moving. This is life with kids. Now, I will say, I am still practicing eye techniques, so bear with me as I get used to learning how to blend, how to not make my colors bleed into each other. And there I am blending out the concealer. And then I'm just going to finish up with my foundation routine using the Fenty Beauty foundation. I don't use this foundation often. It's only for special occasions, just because of how flawless it makes me look, because it does break me out occasionally. Here I am using my Younique concealer again in the color Velvet to do some highlighting. I swear the hardest part is blending this stuff out, like for real, the hardest. Now I'm going to set my highlight and my foundation with translucent powder. I'm using the Sanscha Buttercup, and then I'm also using Laura Mercier in the medium dark for my foundation areas. I know I look crazy, but I'm gonna blend it out. Marc Jacobs mascara before I put on my lashes, of course. I usually use my Younique Epic mascara because it just makes my lashes naturally pop like crazy, but I don't have any right now. This is my Younique a la mode cream to powder bronzer in the color Opaline. Once I blend it out and apply my lashes and my eyeliner, here is my final look, y'all. This is a full face with lips, blush, and everything. Dumb boy. Mwah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and comment, and please subscribe to my channel. All right, y'all. I'm out. Love you guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah.